What you see on screen are not just ants. They are one of nature's smallest and smartest architects. Because what they build, it's something we could hardly imagine. The leaf nest.
These are
The weaver ant. Unlike most ants that burrow underground or build mounds or make voids, these are known for constructing their homes high in the trees. But how do they build such incredible structures? Well, this is where the worker ants take the center stage. Imagine dozens of ants working in perfect harmony. They grasp the edges of living leaves, pull them together with incredible strength, and forms a pouch-like nest. But how do they stitch it? Right? They use their larvae. Yes, their own larvae, which produce a strong silken thread. Workers gently carry them, moving them back and forth, letting the larvae weave silk that binds leaf to leaf. The result, a strong, waterproof all-season nest. Inside these leafy abodes, a complex ant society thrives. A queen, who is the heart of the colony, tirelessly lays eggs. Then comes the workers, foraging relentlessly. And then the soldiers, silently but strongly guarding their empire. They are the tiny titans that forever weave the intricate tapestry of life. In a world of wonders, sometimes the most extraordinary ones are built by the smallest inhabitants, right in our backyards. Someone that lives on leaves.